What do you do when the markets open on Monday? Hi everyone, we're back again to check what the markets have to offer us when it opens on Monday. What a joy. Our predictions for last week went our way and it is quite profitable for us. We're looking at having reversals on most of the pairs and quite a lot of them, in fact all of them, followed our reversal predictions and didn't give us any room to go up any further. And so based on daily price actions that we looked at, we saw that there was no need to go up any further, and so we just kept milking the profits as we had the declines with gold, we had declines with the pound dollar pair and quite some other pairs. Yeah, basically what we look at in this video is to see what we'll do when the markets open on Monday. We look at what we can take out of the market. This we'll see some good profitable moves to take when the markets open on Mondays. But sometimes our predictions don't really get triggered on a Monday. Sometimes it might take us the whole of the week. Sometimes it's triggered on a Wednesday or a Thursday. But on the whole, at the end of the day, we remain profitable, and that's the goal of every trader. Now, without further ado, let's go into the pairs that we have been looking at for the past weeks. Well, if you're new here, I also want to put up my disclaimer. Forex trading is quite a risky business, and you need sound financial advice to invest your money in the Forex market. Of course, when you do, don't trade with the rent money. Don't trade with money that you can't lose. Don't take a loan to start investing in Forex. Well, with that said, let's just quickly go into what the markets hold for us. Now, also, let me say this, if you're new here, click the subscribe button so that you'll be notified as quickly as I put up new videos concerning what the markets have to offer us. And if these videos have been beneficial to you in the past, I would want to urge you to click the like button. For those who have been doing that, I give you a thumbs up because it helps me to bring out the best on a weekly basis. Now, looking at what we want to do when the markets open on Monday, we do a top-down analysis. That's the first thing we do. Look at the market from the higher time frames and zero into the smaller time frames to get an entry. On the whole, we want to get a roadmap to know what price is likely to do this week. And we're looking at the week of February the 10th to the 14th. Oh, it's Valentine. It will be Valentine on the Friday. Well, quickly, let's look at what price has done. I'm looking at the weekly chart on the pound dollar pair. And from what we have here on the weekly, we can see a very bearish weekly candle. A very bearish weekly candle, which tells us we are in for more sell. And so what do we do? What do we look out for? What I'll be expecting. Already price is sitting heavily on the middle Bollinger band, and I'm expecting, what I'll expect is a slight retracement upwards to about 1.2940 maximum, and I'll begin to look out for reversal patterns on smaller time frames around that area, 1.2935, 1.2940, and after which I would expect prices to come down to 1.2765, which was my initial analysis. I was looking at price going way down this way from the onset, but we had price action, choppy price action all, all through for some weeks, and finally we're having that move downward. Basically, I'm looking at establishing a one-to-one. I want something that looks equal to this move here. Let's see if we can get from this high down here. Quickly clone this and place it here. So we might even go much lower than that, much lower than 1.2765. But for now, what I'm expecting is that move upwards, and let's see price at 1.2765. We can zoom in to get a clearer view. Yeah, so basically what we're looking at here, expecting price to get to this point. We could even see price come a little bit beyond it, but basically take profit should be around here. So for those of us that are subscribed here, what I want to see is to get a double bottom here and get that retracement. So if you want to trade the retracement, let's see, we could say we could place a buy stop at 1.2900, a buy stop, and aim for 30 pips, 1.2930, and begin to wait for reversal candles around that point to continue lower. We could even get up to as much as 1.2950, but to be on the safer side, because we are still in the down, we are in a downtrend now. We're expecting price to resume heavily to the downside. So that's my take. We can do a buy stop at 1.2900 to 1.2930. We could do something further, but you can take a profit there and begin to look out for reversal candles around that area to go lower. Let's look at the GB, the pound Canadian dollar pair. Quickly, top down analysis as usual. Yeah, we see price break through this channel here, closed above it, and as we have a bearish, somewhat bearish engulfing candle here. So what do I expect? I want price to retest something about the 50% retracement up to 1.7260. The close here is around 1.71393. So I'm looking at price retracing this key level at 1.7260, and will continue lower to the next level of support, which is also lighting up at with the middle band of the Bollinger Band, and that is at 1.7108. Sorry, 1.7004. 1.7004. Let's leave it at the round number 1.7000. Yeah, so slight retracement upward to 1.7260 and head lower, because I expect price to break through this support here at 1.71335. We quickly zoom in. We're doing a top-down analysis. Yeah, so let's still go further lower to see what we can do with this. So basically, we can place our buy stop at 1.7180, and expect that move upward. Expect that move upward. We might not get up to 7260, but basically around something around there, we need to spot. We can look out for the reversal candles around close this zone, the zone, and we'll continue lower to 1.70. That's what I'm looking at for a retest of this highs here, and we'll continue lower. Of course, price could open and test this the area at 1.7108, go back up and come down. So basically, we can place a buy stop at 1.7180 and aim for 40 pips up to 7220, and look forward to go lower from there. The next is Euro USD. Top line analysis as usual. Now for Euro USD, what do we have? We have a bearish engulfing. Yeah, at this point, and we are at the next key level of resistance. So what I'm expecting is a retracement up to the previous level of broken support on resistance at 1.1027 or 1.01025. Then we'll come lower. Our next port of call will be at 1.0880. Let's zoom in quickly to be sure of what we're doing. Yeah, we still see very bearish candle here, but I'm looking for, you can zoom in. Okay, we're also seeing price stalling around this area. So I'll be placing my buy stop above the high. The high is at the high of the last 4 hours on Friday at 1.0949. That's the high. So I'll be placing the buy stop at 1.0965 and aim for 1.10. Let me get a clearer picture here. 1.1020 or 1.1025. Before we head continuing lower. So let's be very sure. You can place your buy stop at 1.1065 and take your profit at 1.10 to be on the safe side. So we look out for, we spot the reversals around that zone or come lower. If not, we'll have to, yeah, I'm looking forward to see, yeah, around that 1.10 area, and we'll come lower, except prices, it might go higher, but what we're looking at is the zone, looking out for reversal candles around there. The next I'm looking at is gold. Gold has been did quite wonderfully well for us last week. Now for gold, basically what I'm looking at for, from the weekly, we have an engulfing candle that has engulfed 2 weeks of price action that we can see here, and it has tested a support. It broke it, but that's not close below it. But based on the candle formed here, I'll be expecting prices to still retest these lows, retesting to break them, and we'll be looking at coming lower from there. We'll be looking to go real low from there. Basically looking at price coming in really low. Let's look at let's zoom in. Yeah, from what we have here, expect prices to come to 1.1535. 1535. So what we're looking out for is let's quickly zoom in and get that arranged so we know precisely what to do. Now looking at the 4 hours, we've seen price retest this. We had a doji here, and now price has retested. We have two pin bars, so to speak, around this area. So what I'll do is, what I want you to do is to place a self stop. The low here is at 1569, so we can place a 10 pip self stop at 1568 and aim for next key level of support. We ought to break this, but let's just aim for the key level of support at 1552. First of all, well, first price will move in waves as usual, so I expect it to hit here first, get to this low first at 1560, have a small retest upwards, and we'll look forward to it coming to as low as 1552. If we have a break and close below this, we'll be going to our preferred target at 1535. That's at the end of the week. The next I'm looking at is USD Canadian dollar pair. Quickly do a top-down analysis as usual. And for this pair, what I'm expecting will be we were looking forward to prices getting to this point and selling, but we've seen that price got there and stalled at that point. But basically, we've not closed above these highs, so we know we are still in a downtrend. It will break and close above these highs at 1.3327. That's when we look forward to continuing higher. Excuse me. So what I'm looking for, let's zoom in. What do we do here? I'm looking forward to price, as in having a reversal around here, where price is down. Looking forward to have a reversal around here. Quickly look at 4 hours. And from the 4 hours, we can place, when price opens, we could place a self stop below the low at 1.3285. 3285 and aim come as low as 1 point. Looking at hitting 1.3265, just the 20 pips. So we could do way beyond that. Sorry, let me just take a look at what I have on the weekly again. But I was expecting price to come as low as 1.3235. Yeah, that's where I'll be looking at price getting to 1.3235. Let me see where it lines up. 1.3235 or 3240. So you place your sell stop at 1.3285 and take your profit at 1.3240 area. So we begin to look forward to, technically, once we break and close below this low, I'll be looking forward to further for price. I'm looking forward to price going further down. Well, as I then looking at price coming to this zone, this zone at 1.31, 3100. No, sorry, 1.31 10.95. That zone. Once we break and close below this low. The last I'm going to look at is USD JPY. Quickly, top-down analysis. As usual, let's get rid of this Fibonacci. Good. Now we've seen price come down this way, and we have a bullish engulfing. But now with what we have here, price has not broken and closed above these highs here, so we could still see further selling pressure. Could see price sell a bit. So what I want to see first of all is a 50% retracement on the candle. So price could go as low as 109.30, as low as 109.30, and if we have any reversal around here, we'll be going up further. Otherwise, what I want to see price do is really coming a little bit lower to this point at 107.25. But first of all, it's just to see 109, see price get to 109.40. Let's zoom in and get clearer picture on this. So yeah, based on what we have here, if price is coming now down to look for to see price getting to 109, yeah, getting to 109.25 at this point. We could even go lower. It could go lower, but basically this place looks like a good key level, so we could just see price get to 109.25 from where it is. We could, let me zoom in a little bit to get clearer picture. So we can place a self-stop at 109.65 and aim for 109.25, and watch price action as it closes on a daily basis. That will give us informed views to take for the week. We just don't take this as something that is cast in stone for the week. We look at price action, daily price action, as it closes on a daily basis to take informed trades as the market unfolds. So with that said, that will be that for the week. If you want to reach me, you can reach me on Telegram. The link is at the bottom of the video, and I will be glad to assist you to look at price action on a daily basis, so you make much more than what we've put out here for YouTube subscribers. So with that said, I wish you all a great trading week and see you in the next. Talk to you soon.